Hello ladies, I just wanted to go over a video of how to activate the curl pattern in your bundles if you received unwashed hair this weekend. Due to such a large amount of orders, some of the bundles were sent unsent so we can hurry them. The only thing you need for this video is a good conditioner because we're going to co-wash and a good brush. This is all you need. Once you activate the curl pattern in the bundle, you will never have to do it again. It's straight, raw, unprocessed hair. Okay, so I put conditioner all over the bundle, and now I'm adding cold water. Now look, I'm not too good at these videos, but I'm doing the best that I can. I'm gonna now pick it up and brush through it. Stand by. So once you added your conditioner, you're just gonna brush through it just like this. And you see how the curl pattern is starting to activate. And then you also want to plop it. That sets that curl in there good. Okay, so we're going to just let that sit there for about 5 minutes just so that the conditioner can, soak up in the hair real good. And then once you allow the 5 minutes, you just rinse it out with cold water. Rinse out the conditioner. Okay, so I'm rinsing out the hair now with cold water. You want to make sure you get all the conditioner out and plop. You want to plop through the whole situation so the curl is nice and juicy. So we rinse them out all the conditioner. Now, once we thoroughly rinse the conditioner out of the hair, we're going to plop it like this. We're going to put it on a hanger, and we're going to air dry it for the most beautiful curls. Now, you don't have to do this again once the curl pattern is okay, you guys, here is the finished product. She has been air dried, and she's nice and curly. So all you have to do is a great co-wash, and that'll activate the curl pattern. We usually do this for the majority of our orders, but we're just so busy. So enjoy.